What up though? It's Filip Tech. Today I'm gonna show you how to send money to somebody using your Venmo balance. That way you don't have to keep using your credit card or your bank account. Let's get into it. Let's go to the Venmo app. So then you hit me in the bottom right corner. Then you can see in my wallet I have $500. And underneath that you have banks and cards. So that's what I use when I'm paying for stuff or transferring money from Venmo to my bank account. But as you can see, I have $500 in my Venmo balance. So theoretically, I should be able to use this money to send money to somebody. Let me show you. When I go home and I look somebody's name up, I'm gonna go type my brother's in. So you go to pay somebody. Let's just say $10, Filip Tech, and then you hit pay. Under privacy, you should actually be able to see your Venmo balance and select that as an option. But in my case, you can't see that. The only thing you can see is that I can pay with my card. And that's something I don't want to do. I want to pay with my balance. So something you have to know is that Venmo is required by law to verify a user's identity. If you haven't inputted your personal information in a long time or have never done so, then you must verify your identity to be able to use the Venmo balance. It's a check they put on everybody to make sure they verify their identity. To do that, go to the bottom right, hit the me, and then you have the gear in the upper right, hit that. Then all the way at the bottom, under security, you'll see identity verification. I'll hit that. So under here, you have a few different items that you must fill out. You gotta fill up your legal first name, legal last name, date of birth, social security number, and the street address that you live on. I'm gonna fill this off to the side, then come back and show you guys what happens next. After you fill out all your information correctly, you should have this page pop up. It says you have access to the full Venmo experience now. Hit next. Do you want a debit card? Nope. All right, so let's go back here. Never anything changed. Okay, so right now you can see my Venmo balance is still the same. Now there's another option here for crypto balance. I did not have this before. I guess when you verify your identity, you're also able to trade crypto with other people. Now let's go back and see if I can send money to somebody using my balance this time. All right, $10, Filip Tech. If you love my channel, pay. This time you can actually see under privacy, you have Venmo balance and you can see the $500 there, and I can just hit pay. If you hit this arrow, you should bring up other ways to pay, including banks or debit cards. Just like that, you're able to pay with your Venmo balance. I'm gonna pay, payment was sent. And let's go back here. Yep, and you can see it on the Venmo balance has decreased by $10. That's it, everybody. Video is pretty simple and pretty easy to follow. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comment section below. Otherwise, see you guys.